cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear, it is raining like cats and dogs outside my house now. Nice time to do dinner. Alright, so I have one piece of stingray, yeah, stingray fish cutlet here. And I'm going to do ikan bakar. But I'm lazy to do sambal today, but still, I think I have some ready-made sambal belacan. I'm just going to use it. More importantly, I just want to show you how you can actually infuse your ikan bakar with the nice banana leaf flavor. Alright. By the way, every time when I do ikan bakar at home, there will be a lot of people scolding Appa and say, Appa, that is not ikan bakar, that is pan frying. Well, anyway, let's talk about that later. So first of all, I have a piece of stingray here. Now, my father used to tell me that this fish, when he was young, nobody eat it, but now this is super expensive. This piece is like 300 over gram for 20 odd ringgit or 20 ringgit, so it is not cheap at all. Yeah. First of all, we're going to give it some fine salt. Right, I did make few slits on the fish body. When you do ikan bakar outside, when you order ikan bakar outside, normally they will definitely put one more thing, which is turmeric powder. Now, I am very scared of turmeric powder because once your hand touch it, it's very difficult to wash. So I try not to touch it with my bare hand, yeah? Right, then after which we can go and prepare our oil. Right, after you prepare a deeper pan or the wok, first thing you want to put in a banana leaf. You want to infuse the fish with the banana leaf flavor. It is super fragrant, seriously, yeah? So give it some oil. A little bit more is fine. Then we can raise the heat. So once the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the fish. Let's cover it with a lid so that the banana leaf flavor can infuse better into the fish. We'll come back shortly. Right, this is after about first 2 minutes. Let me try to flip it over. Wow! Look at how beautiful it is. And I can really smell the banana leaf, seriously. Banana leaf is irreplaceable for ikan bakar if you ask me. If you don't have sambal, it's even fine. But banana leaf, you must have it. Now, so why is people scolding Appa for calling this ikan bakar? Because this is not really grilling. Yeah, literally this is pan frying. I agree with them, they are right. But the thing is, I'm not sure where they are coming from. In Malaysia, at least, if you are talking about Chinese hawker store that actually that sells grilled fish, 99.99% of them will be actually using a steel plate, yeah, steel plate, and pan fry the fish. They are not using charcoal to grill the fish like some of the Malay counterparts will do. Yeah, our Malay friend will use some charcoal to really grill that. That is fantastic. But let me tell you, majority of the Chinese hawker center, they will just use steel plate, yeah, a steel plate and pan fry, just like what I'm exactly doing right now. Can you hear the sizzling sound inside right now? That is actually the moisture releasing out from the banana leaf itself, and that is where the flavor comes in. Very, very nice flavor. So aromatic right now. So that's why you must always close the lid. At a hawker store also, they will close the lid when they fry it, yeah? Alright, this is after about another 2-3 minutes. Let me open it. Wow. Ooh, super fragrant. Let me see the other side. Okay, nice. What about here? Alright, good enough. It's basically cooked. If you are not sure, you just use something sharp to poke through it. If can go through it, it means it's already done. Basically, it's already done. And it is super, super, super aromatic right now. I can smell the turmeric, I can smell the banana leaf. This, even without the sambal, will taste really good. Alright, now I'm just going to take it out and put it onto my serving plate. Alright, like I said, I'm lazy to make any sambal today, so I just get some ready-made sambal belacan, put it at the side. I hope you like my very simple video today. Hopefully today nobody will scold me again. I hope you like enjoy my video, my simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, besides stingray, basically there's no rules as to what you want to use to make it into this particular method. Any red fish, red meat fish, any white meat fish, all is fine. Yeah, there's no rules in Apa kitchen especially. Yeah, and there shouldn't be any rules in your kitchen too. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.